What happens when an organization needs cloud agility without putting everything in the public cloud? That's where edge-to-cloud architecture becomes a serious business skill. If you're working toward advanced HPE solution roles, the Advanced HPE Edge-to-Cloud Solutions exam can help demonstrate that you understand how to design solutions across edge, data center, and cloud environments. In this video, we'll put that knowledge to work with exam-style practice questions. Let's see how you handle the decisions that matter. Question number 1. Your customer is in the early stages of an AI project. They are requesting a POC demonstrating how they can utilize on-prem data with a limited amount of rack space in an air-cooled environment. Performance with the AI use case of Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) will be the primary factor in their decision-making. Which HPE compute offering would be suitable in this scenario? A. HPE ProLiant Compute DL380A Gen 12 with NVIDIA H200NVL GPUs. B. HPE ProLiant Compute DL384 Gen 12 with NVIDIA GH200NVL2. C. HPE ProLiant Compute DL320 Gen 11 with NVIDIA L4 GPUs. D. HPE Cray XD670 with NVIDIA H200 Tensor Core GPUs. Correct answer: B. HPE ProLiant Compute DL384 Gen 12 with NVIDIA GH200NVL2. Explanation: the correct answer is B. RAG performance is the priority, while rack space and air cooling are required. The HPE ProLiant Compute DL384 Gen 12 with NVIDIA GH200NVL2 offers high-performance AI, coherent CPU/GPU memory, and high memory bandwidth in a compact 2U air-cooled design. A is larger, C lacks performance, and D is excessive for an early POC. Question number 2. A customer is designing an HPE Synergy virtualization solution with ESXi 8.x, HPE Alletra MPB1 0000 shared storage, VM host failure protection, vGPU fault tolerance, RAID 1 boot storage, logical enclosure management, and maximum Ethernet connectivity. Which two statements are true about the proposal? A. Remove the 4x50 gigabit interconnect link modules because 6 interconnects are required. B. Remove the MR416i-0 Smart RAID controller because no external SAS storage is included. C. Remove 2x Virtual Connect SE 100 gigabit F32 modules because the requirements are still met. D. Purchase FC upgrade licenses for Virtual Connect SE 100 gigabit F32 modules to access HPE Alletra MPB10000. Correct answer: C. Remove 2x Virtual Connect SE 100 gigabit F32 modules because the requirements are still met. And D. Purchase FC upgrade licenses for Virtual Connect SE 100 gigabit F32 modules to access HPE Alletra MPB10000. Explanation: the correct answers are C and D. In a 3-frame HPE Synergy primary/satellite design, 2 redundant Virtual Connect SE 100 gigabit F32 modules can provide the required fabric, reducing unnecessary modules. D is correct because FC uplinks require the Synergy 32 gigabit FC upgrade license. B and E are incorrect due to D 3940 boot and fault tolerance requirements. Question number 3. A customer needs a disaster recovery solution for 200 VMs with protection against site failure and an RPO of 0. Current environment: VMware H, a cluster plus some fault tolerance, HPE Synergy 480 Gen 11, HPE Alletra Storage MPB10000 VMware, orchestrated failover. Same setup planned at a second site. Which configuration is necessary to meet all requirements? A. Add secondary site Synergy frames to the primary logical enclosure. B. Configure SPBM for a group of VMs. C. Configure synchronous replication between sites for data store volumes. D. Configure asynchronous replication between sites for data store volumes. Correct answer: C. Configure synchronous replication between sites for data store volumes. Explanation: the correct answer is C. RPO0 requires synchronous replication, ensuring no acknowledged data is lost during a site failure. HPE Alletra Storage MPB10000 supports synchronous remote copy/peer persistence for VMware. A, B, and D do not meet the RPO0 requirement. Question number 4. You presented a solution to your customer that will replace their legacy HPE blade system. The new solution is based on the HPE Synergy platform and consists of the following components: 5 HPE Synergy 12,000 frames, 2 HPE Virtual Connect SE 100 Gigabit F32 modules for Synergy, 8 HPE Synergy 25/50 Gigabit Interconnect Link modules, 60 HPE Synergy 480 Gen 11. Which statement about the business and financial benefit of the new solution for the customer is true? A. HPE Synergy 480 Gen 11 compute modules have an extension that will allow the customer to install 4 GPUs in half-height format compute nodes. B. HPE Virtual Connect SE 100 Gigabits F32 module for Synergy can support FC traffic once an upgrade license for each module is added in HPE OneView. C. Compared to the legacy HPE blade system, the HPE Synergy platform supports more expansion slots in the form of mezzanine cards. D. Compared to the legacy HPE blade system, the HPE Synergy platform supports more interconnect modules, which provides better flexibility and expansion possibilities. Correct answer, D. Compared to the legacy HPE blade system, the HPE Synergy platform supports more interconnect modules, which provides better flexibility and expansion possibilities. Explanation. The correct answer is D. HPE. Synergy's primary/satellite composable fabric architecture provides scalable networking with fewer fabric modules, less cabling, and lower infrastructure costs across multiple frames. A, B, and C do not represent the primary business and financial benefit. Question number 5. Which HPE solution is primarily designed to provide a composable infrastructure architecture that allows compute, storage, and networking resources to be configured and managed as a unified system? A. HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen 11. B. HPE Synergy. C. HPE Alletra. D. HPE Aruba CX Switch. Correct answer, B. HPE Synergy. Explanation. HPE Synergy is a composable infrastructure platform that enables organizations to dynamically configure compute, storage, and networking resources through a unified management approach. The value of an advanced HPE certification isn't just having another credential on your resume, it's being able to walk into a conversation about edge, cloud, infrastructure modernization, and business requirements, and know how to design the solution. If Advanced HPE Edge-to-Cloud Solutions is your next certification target, don't leave your preparation to passive reading. Practice the decisions. Find your weak areas. Fix them before exam day. Check the link in the description for more practice questions and start testing your knowledge today. The exam may test your architecture decisions, so practice making them before you're sitting in front of the real exam. Subscribe for more certification practice sessions, and when you're ready, practice smarter, prepare with purpose, and pass the exam.